Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the error code 286 in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Actually, this error occurs due to you have low available RAM or VRAM. It's nothing but a virtual RAM, and running too many background apps or game is too large, heavy for your device, or cache buildup or temporary system glitch. So here what we are going to do is we are going to fix all those issues. For that, our first step is to close the background application. So you can press Ctrl Shift Escape, or you can press Ctrl Windows plus delete to enter into the task manager, and please untask all the unwanted application running on the background. Yeah, once it's done, we are going to restart our system. Why? Because a simple restart clears the RAM and may fix the issues. So our third step is to clear the Roblox cache. So for that, please press Windows R and type percentage local app data percentage, and then click enter. Once you're done, you will redirect to the file manager, and over there please find a temp folder. On that also you need to find the Roblox folder, and please delete the folder. Once it's done, we are stepping into our fourth step. Is just nothing but we are just decreasing the graphic settings. For that, you need to enter into your Roblox and click more option, which is located on the left side. Yeah, after that please enter into the settings, and then device preference. Over here you need to disable the reduce motion and haptics. This will decrease your graphics interference with the game and your system. So once it's done, we are just entering our fifth step. Our fifth step is to free up disk space. So ensure at least 2 to 4 GB free space on your device. Just to make some internal space over in your system. And once it's done, we are stepping out into our sixth step. Is nothing but increase the virtual memory. For that, you need to press Windows R and type sysdm.cpl and click enter. Once it's done, you are redirect to the system properties. Over there you need to select the advanced, and then performance settings, and then one more advanced, and then you need to increase the virtual memory. Yeah, this is a separate topic, and I uploaded the video for how to increase the virtual memory in my channel. Please check out the video. And this is not an important thing. Please do the previous steps, and I think that's fine enough. If not, please do that the virtual memory topic too. And once this is done, please restart your system and check out the video. And thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.